Oh, the real DJ Fat
I'm
Man.
forever gonna be on some fly shit. I'ma die with my count like it's side shit. But I try and I be on some fly shit. My routine ain't no need for no side dish. When you saw I knew I was like this. Come to me when you land as my take your heart and get lost on the flight list. Have a chicken on breakfast, my sport a car to your crash on my left. Used to love you to death, now I ride by myself now. Say I'm selfish, how you gon' say that? I had high expectations for us and got some better than you in my bed now. She a ganger, she throw up a set now. In the back of the V got a list, I stressed, I told her she don't gotta stress now. Anytime we see them, it's a bang out. Too much smoke in the city, can't hang out. I got shit ain't the same now. Thank the haters for keeping my name out there. We caught 3 different houses with the same chopper. If I love you, then we got the same problem. Money saver, I still got my old profit. Been a player, I still got my old products. I'm a hustler, I know how to sell products. I'm like free out of bros in the jails locked up. Hermes scarf on my head, it cost 6,000. That's the internet, they don't know shit about me. Not in real estate, but I can flip houses. Get a load to the door, I let you have a chance, but I'm it now. Legs straight, having business. Calling all the switching play up. I got work to do, shit on the layup. When I'm done, I come back and I play with her. I'm the boss when I'm talking, I'm better version, but I'm still the same nigga. Cars and clothes, only thing, and I'm front and ghetto, I'm hiding, I'm flaming. He a rat and he proud nigga shameless. I can't play like I'm all the way off. You can't lie, you still come off my mind. So I can't play like I'm all the way off. You can't lie, you still mind sometimes. I can't play like I'm all the way off. You can't lie, you still come off my mind. So I can't play like I'm all the way off. I can't play like I'm all the way off.